Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video from KSTV. And friends, today I have got a very important update for all you YouTube creators. If you have your channel, you create some awesome content on your channel, YouTube has made some of the changes in its new monetization policy. So today keep watching this video till the end and you all will get to know all the changes about this policy. Having been said that, let's get straight into it. So friends, YouTube has come up with an update where they say that they want to remove all the junk YouTubers which are making some foolish content. So they are just making their algorithm more strict and more precise. So YouTube is saying that for enabling monetization on your channel, you should at least have 1000 subscribers, and also your channel must have 4000 hours of watch time in the period of 12 months, that is within a period of 1 year. So in 1 year your channel should have 4000 hours of watch time and your channel should have 1000 subscribers. So friends, this is the new update from YouTube. People are just thinking about how can we now go with this. So YouTube has said that if your channel is now monetized or not monetized, that doesn't matter, but you all will get a time period up till February 20th, after which your channel monetization will be off if your channel does not contain the 1000 subscribers and you don't have the 4000 hours of watch time. The thing here is that friends, we don't have anything in our hand when we talk about the YouTube's policy, and we all think that YouTube is becoming more strict. They are just reducing our earnings and etc. etc. So friends, let me tell you, we all are thinking about now how can we achieve 1000 subscribers and etc. etc. So friends, instead of thinking about that 1000 subscriber, we can just improve our content, make our audience more happy, solve their problems, be more consistent, improve our data day by day, improve our video quality, and if we just tick all these boxes and we meet our audience need, then automatically we will see that our subscribers are increasing. So we should focus on that instead of focusing on such news that how can we increase our subscribers, how can we increase our views. If we have a good video which solves the problems of audience, even if the quality is not that great, but it is helpful for our audience, then people will automatically subscribe to our channel, and when people subscribe to our channel, they do watch our videos. So that is what I think about this, and we all should just keep working and do whatever we do, we are doing it best. So we should keep an eye on that and work for it. So that's about it in this video friends. So let me know what you think about this YouTube's new policy. Mention it in the comment section below, and also if you like this video, please go and hit the thumbs up button. You can subscribe to our channel KST by clicking on the icon. We make such videos for all of you, and until then, keep watching KS TV.